in Vietnam for 7 years already. I work as a purchasing director and a cocoa project director in Vietnam for the group Puratos-GrandPlace. Puratos-GrandPlace being a joint venture between two Belgian groups. Puratos is one of the world leading group for bakery, patisserie and chocolaterie B2B products, so we only supply professional users. And GrandPlace was more medium enterprise, mostly active in Vietnam in manufacturing chocolate products for B2B as well. So mostly in Vietnam, hotel, restaurant, bakery chains, artisan, and also the industry market, which is growing every day in Vietnam with chocolate. And so this joint venture started 2 years ago. Beside our core business, which is supplying bakery, patisserie, and chocolate product to the market, we have some very interesting projects of vertical integration. Basically, for us in Vietnam, it is collecting fine cocoa, grown in Mekong Delta and in the Central Islands. So we are purchasing today. This year we will be purchasing around 750 tons of premium cocoa in Vietnam, and we have developed internal certification that guarantee traceability and quality management toward all our supply chain. And this is where we have worked with Crops to establish a good system to manage the purchasing activity, so basically the price, but as well the quality management and the traceability. We work today with around 150 direct partners who are bringing the product to us. But besides those 150 direct partners, we have more or less 3,500 or 4,000 farmers that are producing cocoa for us. And the aim of our system and our approach is to have a very clear idea of who are those farmers, where are they, where are their needs, and this is a project on which we are working with Crops. We identified the need of a system to help us to manage all this, and then we went in the market to see what were the possible options. There was some open source option, some I don't know if we can say traditional options, or other options of ERP, and the reason why we went for open ERP was first because we felt there was much more flexibility to adapt their system to our internal needs, which were very particular. So yes, the flexibility and the fine-tuning of the application was very important for us, and I think Open ERP and Crops was a key for us to identify who would be the partner. The other solutions we found were, first of all, more expensive. Not really. We didn't felt they were really adapted in a way that they were less flexible, and also the development could not always be locally done. So all the communication and testing was probably more difficult. So it's a good combination of open source plus the service of Crops that makes them like the good choice for our company and our very particular needs. We started the collaboration with Crops by a gap analysis. of our needs. So they came to our operation in Mekong Delta. They understood about the cocoa. They had some suggestions. We also had some needs, and we started the development. It went rather fast. There was a few challenges. I have to say that Trops overcame very well, like updating the price daily, because we wanted a stable pricing system with no risk of human mistakes. And so basically what the system is able to do for us is to pick up the price directly in London Stock Exchange and giving us the price in Vietnam known here for farmers. So it's a very good tool. So they were able to overcome this technical issue that was absolutely not possible with other solutions. We entered into staging mode rather fast, I think after 2 months of development. Trops has a quite efficient ticket system, so normally the communication can be rather fast, but it's true that if you are not on a daily basis working on it, you can lose the flow quite easily. Then we started to really use fully the application around 7 months ago, and now we already identified some, after running almost a year in the big scale of operation, we identified that we had some needs for evolution already. We also have a next step of introducing a new bonus system to the farmers, basically, which is well, the idea is to basically have a more fair repartition of the margin, which is made in during the chocolate process with the farmers, because we feel today the balance between what the farmer gets for his product and what the consumer pay for a chocolate bar is not balanced well. And technically, Trops is helping us to manage such a system, which is quite innovative. And so yes, the idea is like early 2015 we are going to be able to start this new project. What I would do differently is probably, as I was mentioning, having one staff, and this is already what we are doing now in the new development stages. And what I would advise to any user of OpenApp is really to have a project manager internally that can really test and communicate on a daily basis with Trops. This can bring much more efficiency in the process. I would definitely restart the project in the same way, because having Trops here nearby with this flexibility and relatively fast services is a very good option for us.